In this quick training, I'm going to show you how AI and digital products can help you to generate an extra $1,000 to $3,000 per month and even completely replace your job income. All of this while working from anywhere in the world, even if you've never sold anything online before, and even if you don't have time or money to start a business. My name is Fred, and I've used the steps I'm going to share with you in this video training to make thousands of dollars of profit per day selling digital products on the internet. And at the time I'm recording this, I just beat my previous record in sales. I made slightly more than 5K in 48 hours. And in reality, a payment failed, otherwise that would have been 7K US dollars. Now, to be transparent with you, my average profit margin has been around 95%. So the method I'm sharing with you today is extremely profitable. But look, I'm not the only one who is being able to get crazy results. I've also taught this method to close to 110 people now, and dozens have been able to earn an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month, while dozens have also been able to earn more money than they previously did at their jobs. For example, Azar went from working a regular engineering job to making $10,000 per month in just 90 days, and then he went on to make 23K per month thanks to AI. Does that mean at the moment you make 20K per month, or is it more or less than that?
Slightly more, but yeah.
Slightly more than 20K?
Yep.
How much are we talking about?
I just had an upsell last month, so I have to add a factor, but around 23, I think.
There's also Lucas, who went from working at a fast food to making $9,000 per month with a completely faceless business using AI and digital products. Or Fouad, whom I taught to master AI for content creation, product creation, and client acquisition. So if you watch this quick training until the end, you will know why everything you've ever tried to make money online has failed so far. And I'm also going to reveal the only 3 keys me and my clients have used to generate thousands of dollars a month, even per week, even per day with the help of AI. So let's start with why 99% of people never make any money profitably online. But first of all, I'd like to give you some context and make you understand that for me growing up, money was always tight. Like, I'm definitely not some rich kid, oh my god. My father worked as a nurse and my mother as a nursing assistant. Both of them were grinding through long shifts, pouring everything they had into work that barely paid them what they actually deserved. And then one day, when I was still a young kid, my mom got sick, and that moment changed everything for me. Because it wasn't just scary, it was a wake-up call I couldn't ignore because life suddenly felt brutally short, and I realized I was running out of time to figure things out. So I had to find a way. And I looked around at our small town, all the drug dealers on the corners, the people who were working jobs they hated at the factory, like these kinds of horrible jobs. And I had this feeling of just being stuck where I didn't belong. And I knew I did not want this kind of miserable future. I wanted more than just getting by, feeling unsafe all the time when I went out. I wanted the freedom to travel spontaneously whenever I wanted, to live somewhere that felt safe, that was beautiful, full of opportunities, to actually enjoy life instead of just surviving it. So I did what any kid with internet access would do in my situation. I typed how to get rich into Google, later on YouTube, and just like that, I fell down the rabbit hole. That simple search opened a door I didn't even know existed. A world where making money online wasn't just possible, it was actually real. Now, there were so many different business models people talked about. Hundreds, even thousands of videos on the subject. So who was I supposed to listen to exactly? You've probably felt the exact same thing, like there's so much content you don't know who to trust or what to do. So I basically started trying out everything. One of the very first business models I tried was dropshipping. Most people try to start a dropshipping business by reselling some cheap Wish or AliExpress products on their own online store using Shopify, which is a software, and then they run some ads or they pay some influencers to drive traffic to their store. And guess what? That actually worked decently 10 years ago. But now, the market is completely saturated. People are not gonna buy an overpriced rose bear for their girlfriend or boyfriend on Valentine's Day when they can just buy it for half the price on Amazon and also get it delivered the same day. Then there's affiliate marketing. People love this one because on paper, it looks easy. They say all you've gotta do is resell someone else's product and get those juicy commissions. In reality, you're fighting for scraps. If you do the math, it's brutal. You'd need to sell $20,000 worth of product to earn only $2,000 at a 10% commission. And how do you even get that many sales in the first place? Well, you can try to spend years building an audience, or you can try paid advertising, but you're only going to lose money because you're operating on a 10 to 30% profit margin already. Look, I've spoken to hundreds of people who tried all these kinds of businesses. 99% of them did not succeed. I'm not joking. I can't tell you the amount of people who invested tens of thousands of dollars into things like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, even Amazon FBA, and just lost everything. And to tell you the truth, I was one of them. But then one day, as I was genuinely about to give up on my dream of making money online with just a laptop and a Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world, I stumbled upon a guy selling digital products. He sold ebooks, courses, even coaching. And then I just did the math. Digital products don't cost anything to produce. There's no shipping costs either. You can sell 1 unit or 10,000 units without any extra cost, and profit margins can be as high as 98%. I've been selling digital products for years now, and my average profit margin is around 95%. I've helped so many other people do the same. I've worked with over 100 people at the time I'm recording this video. Now look, I want to be straight with you. All of these people you're seeing right now, they booked a free call with us, and we actually set up a custom strategy for them. Now, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to solve this problem. But the truth is, you are unique, which means you are going to need a unique strategy. And all these people actually sat down with me, and that's how they were able to get great results, because I was able to take a look at their unique situation, notice what was blocking them, and then give them the unique solution they needed. And sometimes all you're missing is just one small thing. So if you want the roadmap for free, all you need to do is to go below this video and book a call like all these other people did. Now, I want to share with you the only 3 keys me and my clients have used to generate tens of thousands of dollars a month with AI. The first key is finding the right digital product to sell. Look, I see this time and again. People think they can just sell a random $10 ebook or $49 a month communities, so they spend months coming up with this fancy strategy, and then they launch it to their 2 followers on socials, and surprise, surprise, nobody buys their product. Choosing the right product for you to sell is absolutely essential. Without it, it doesn't matter how good the rest of your business is, because you won't earn a single cent. One of the keys to a digital product that sounds like hotcakes is to make an online course around a painful problem people are desperate to get rid of. For example, people would much rather buy a $1,000 course on how to quit smoking rather than a $10 healthy recipe book. Again, I personally spoke to hundreds of people, so at this point, it's very easy for me to spot potential in people or to see what's blocking people. Every time someone gets on a call with me, I'm able to see immediately what course they should be selling based on their unique profile. So if you go below this video and you book a call, I'll show you exactly what you need to be selling, and that call is completely free. Look, most people here sell an online course and their brain immediately goes to, but I'm not an expert, or who am I to teach anyone anything, or I don't know enough about any topic to charge at least $1,000 for it. I hear these things constantly, and I want to kill these limiting beliefs right now, because they're the number one thing stopping people from starting. Claude, which is one of the AI tools that we use, can pull together more knowledge on any topic in 30 seconds than most people could learn in a month. You give it a topic, a target audience, a painful problem they have, and it will help you build out an entire course curriculum, write the scripts, structure the lessons, and make sure the information is not only valuable, but also complete. I mean, people don't know how to code, they build entire apps with AI. You can do the same, but selling online courses, which is extremely high profit. You're not making stuff up, you're curating and packaging knowledge that already exists and using AI to do the heavy lifting. So the question is no longer, do I know enough? Am I an expert? The question is there a painful problem people are desperate to solve? Or is it an online course that people typically buy? Because if the answer is yes, AI can help you to build a course around it. And it even works for problems that aren't mainstream, like how to get rid of back pain or how to make more money. I love using this example because it blows people's minds. There's a guy, and there's more like him in reality, making over $20,000 a month, teaching people how to get better at a video game. There's even a woman making $30,000 a month, teaching people how to organize their photos. So that goes to show you, you can make money in any niche. And when you've got the right AI tools and you know how to use them properly, the course almost builds itself just like that. That used to take a lot of expertise and months of research. AI has changed the game. Moving on to key number 2, getting attention for your product. Look, you could be doing absolutely everything right. You could even be selling the perfect course. But the truth is, if nobody even knows about your product, you're not going to make any money. Period. The people who make the most money aren't even the ones selling the best products. Now, it's shocking, I know. They're actually the people who know how to get the attention of the customer for cheap. And the best place to get people's attention is on social media, whether you make content or you run ads. Here's how most beginners try to drive traffic to their products. A, they post a few YouTube videos that they recorded themselves or made with AI, but it's a low quality AI, so it sounds and looks weird. And then they get 10 views, they're basically AI slop, and then they wonder why sales aren't pouring in, so they just give up. And then they hop on the next new business model, the next new shiny thing. Or B, they try going to Facebook ads and they bet their last $1,000 on one ad, but they don't understand how ads work in the first place. And then they're shocked when that doesn't work. The main reason me and my clients have been able to consistently hit 90 to 98% profit is because we mainly use free advertising, aka social media, to get high-paying customers. We create specific content around our niche, following a very precise blueprint. Don't worry, I'll share that blueprint with you when you book a call, and it's completely free. The first way to get traffic is building a personal brand. You create content around your niche, you talk about the problems your audience has, you show up consistently, and over time people start finding you, following you, trusting you, and buying from you. Now, you've got 2 options here. Option 1, you record yourself. So your real face, your real voice, you show up as a human being and people connect with that. It's really, really powerful. Now, there is another option, and this is where it gets completely crazy. You use an AI clone of yourself. I've tried it myself and it's nuts. Tools like HeyGen can create a digital clone of you that looks like you, sounds like you, and presents your content for you. So you write the script using Claude, and then the AI delivers it on camera. You spend 0 time recording. Now, right now, this is not an AI, I'm recording the video myself. But you could be at the beach while your AI clone is posting content and bringing in new leads every day. I mean, think about how much time that saves you. I personally know some people who do this, and it's working really, really well for them. They'd never go back to recording content themselves now that they have an AI clone of themselves. And what's really crazy is that oftentimes the clone gets better results than the actual human because they're never sick, they're never tired, they never have a bad day. They always deliver consistently. Now, I know some people will think, but won't YouTube ban my channel if I use AI? No, that's not how it works. YouTube does not ban channels just for using AI to create content. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google is pushing free AI tools for anyone to use for content creation. So as you can see, that logic would not make sense. And honestly, even if they demonetize your channel, which can happen for a bunch of reasons, and to any YouTube channel out there, not just AI content, AdSense revenue is pennies. It's not where the money is for us anyway, because we're not trying to make a few cents per views. We sell our own products for thousands of dollars. One sale from your content is worth more than 50,000 views monetized through AdSense. Now, the other way to get traffic is going completely faceless, meaning you never appear on camera, not even an AI clone of you. Instead, you use a fully generated AI avatar through HeyGen, or you can use a realistic AI voice through 11 Labs, and you build your entire content presence around that. So it's like building a Sims character. The voice sounds so natural now that people genuinely cannot tell the difference unless they know AI and that's what they do every day. I'm not exaggerating. The technology is that good. That wasn't the case a few years ago. So if you're camera shy, if you want to stay private, if you don't want to show your face online, that's completely fine. You can build a really successful business without ever being seen or having to pay 50% of your revenue to a partner who would be the face of the business for you. And the AI doesn't just help you to appear on camera. It makes the entire content creation process faster, cheaper, and honestly, kind of fun. Claude writes your scripts, HeyGen records the content, ChatCut edits everything automatically. What used to take an expensive professional video team a full day or even a full week to produce, you can do alone in a couple of hours, maybe even less. Now, the other traffic source is paid ads. And look, running ads used to be very complicated. You had to build custom audiences, test 100 different creatives before you'd be profitable. Meta's AI has completely changed that. Right now, their algorithms AI, it's so good at finding the right people for your offer that you give it a budget, point it at your audience, the people you want to reach, and it does the work for you. The cost per result is genuinely cheap right now compared to what it used to be if you know how to use it right. Now, just like with everything, that window won't stay open forever. So the people who move now are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. Before coming to me, Ed was struggling to get views and clients on YouTube. He didn't like having a personal brand and was camera shy. So I told him to use an AI avatar instead. His views immediately jumped up and he started getting double the sales. The crazy part is that he didn't change anything at all about his content directly. He just changed how he delivered it. Believe it or not, but AI content and AI avatars or clones often beat actual humans because they're always full of energy, they don't swear, they say the right thing at the right time, which algorithms love, and therefore they push your content more, so you reach more people, you get more clients. It's this positive flywheel. Now, the third key I'd like to share with you is our unique method of selling. Most people just try to post some content or run some $5 Facebook ads, praying clients will start pouring in, but it doesn't happen. My first attempts at selling digital products were actually unsuccessful. Why? Because I created a website, I posted some links to it in my content, and I prayed that people would start buying. Well, let me spoil you, it didn't happen. In a whole year, I made around $1,000. But then, I kept the same exact product, I just sold it differently using a simple sales script, and not only was I able to triple my price, but I also saw a 24,925% increase in revenue within just a few months. That is the same script that Azar used to shoot up his income to $10,000 a month in less than 90 days, and then 23K per month. And that's 90% in profit. Look, I want to be completely transparent with you. Right now, there are two types of people when it comes to AI. The first type has played around with ChatGPT a little bit, asked it a few questions, maybe had it write an email for them, thought it was kind of cool and moved on. And look, that's fine. But that's not even 1% of what AI can actually do for you. That person is going to watch the world change around them and wonder why they're still stuck. They will probably get fired and replaced because of AI in the very near future. The second type of person looks at AI and sees what it actually is, which is the most powerful tool for building a one-person business that's ever existed. They use it to create content without showing their face. They use it to build courses without being an expert. They use it to run a fully automated business that makes money while they sleep. So which one do you want to be? And that brings me to the three options in front of you. The first option is to do absolutely nothing with this information. But nothing changes if nothing changes. If you want to stay stuck in the same job that undervalues you and underpays you until the day you die, be my guest. Because me and every single person I've taught this method to will keep building, keep using AI and making more money thanks to it. I mean, you will probably have your job replaced by AI soon enough. Option 2 is to try to figure everything out alone, and honestly, good luck with that, because there's a lot of good, but also a lot of bad information on the internet. So by the time you find out what works, everything will have changed already. AI is moving really fast, so trying to keep up with it alone is literally impossible. And your third option is to book a free call just below this video. You are unique. This is just a simple video, so there's no way I could make a one-size-fits-all blueprint. On that call, you won't get all the cheat codes from me. First, we'll see what's currently the biggest obstacle preventing you from making money online using AI. Then, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap you can follow starting today to get your first sales using AI, even with limited time and no previous experience. And by the way, you don't need to be tech savvy or to know how to code for any of that. I don't know how to code either. And if it's a good fit, you may also get the opportunity to join my premium mentorship program so you can get results like the people I've personally mentored. I cannot stress this enough. All the people you see getting awesome results booked a free call with us, and we gave them a custom strategy. Now, to be perfectly transparent with you, we receive hundreds of applications for these calls, and we only let in a few dozen people per month, because I personally want to make sure that the clients we work with actually get results. So first come, first serve. So go below this video and book a call before other people fill up all the spots. I'll see you on the call.